Welcome to another tutorial. This one is going to be a little bit different. We're going to be talking about doing some web design and doing it in a way that utilizes WordPress. And the easiest way that I've found, if you're not a web designer but you still want to make really good looking web pages, is to use a plugin called the WPBakery Page Builder. Now, I have it installed already on this particular website. This is just a drone company website, but this plugin does cost you money. However, it's going to be the best money that you ever spent. So it's just this WPBakery Page Builder right here. And once it's installed, if you want to look at your settings, you can basically tell it what pages you want it to appear on. So in this case, I can look at default templates and I can adjust that. I can just also look at under my role manager. I can click on the post types. So I want it to be on posts and pages. I don't care about anything else. So what does this look like? So if we go to pages and we want to add a new page, how this typically looks is you get this block of text and you can start editing it, but you're also going to have this WPBakery Page Builder, which is fantastic. You click on it and it's immediately going to change the window. It's still going to show you the visual and HTML options here with your WYSIWYG. But if you click on Backend Editor, now you have this really interesting and easy way to do things like quickly add text. I'm going to just leave it as is. We can also add other elements that it gives you, all these options. Let's say we want to have a button that just says read more. We can select an internal URL very quickly inside of our page and stylize it. And now that lays below that. We can also edit the cover, the background of the whole row by going into design options. And we could just add like any photo in the background and it'll show up here. And so we've done a little bit of editing. Maybe we'll add a Google map block just to say this is the location of something. So I've just quickly added things that would normally take you a little bit more tweaking and a little bit longer to create. I'm going to make sure that, for right now I'm just going to leave it there. And let's just go ahead and preview this. So if I open a new tab and preview my page, there it is. I've already got my text block and my read more button. I didn't add anything to my Google Maps. I think I have to actually add a location to it, or I have to visit Google Maps. So there might be an extra step there where you have to enable that to be able to use it inside your website. But very quickly, I created a page and I can make all kinds of easy adjustments in here in my text block with my WYSIWYG. I can add more elements to it. Maybe I want a Facebook like button. Maybe I want to add a heading to this that says, this page is great. And just quickly drag that into place. If you want to make changes that you want to save, make sure you hit publish. Otherwise, you can always just preview it. And so let's take a look here. And you can see I've got, I do have my location showing up, my Facebook like button. You can see I do have that background image showing up, so you might want to tweak that a little bit. But very quickly, there it is. I've got the elements adding very easily. So you don't have to be a web designer. Once you get comfortable using the WP Page Builder, you're going to feel like a professional web designer in no time. So this was just a quick tutorial to give you some idea of if you're just starting out building a website and you're thinking about hiring somebody to build all of your pages the way that you want. I highly recommend getting comfortable with this because it's going to save you money in the long run and it's going to still make a very professional looking website. So I hope that was helpful and thanks for watching.